Hello there, thank you for your request. We're glad that you found our software useful. As we have already mentioned, if you want to start using it for ad management, you need to prepare an Excel file so that you can successfully transfer all the information about ad spaces to AdMap. It is a simple process, and in this video I will show you an example of how you should prepare your data. First of all, open a file with a database. You can find it in the attachments to the letter we've sent you. As you can see, there are 11 columns and 10 of them are required. The first one is ID. It should be always unique. For instance, our billboard on Adelaide Street has 2 sides and 2 of them have different IDs. The field is especially useful when you have lots of ad spaces with the same location. So by ID, you can easily find the one that you need. There are no rules for ID naming, so you can use the one that works for you. Then comes address, in any format that you wish, but try to stick to the same pattern. Then we have side. For example, you have a billboard which has 2 sides, A and B. The next field is light. Pretty simple, you either have it or you don't. In the field called type, you put the type of the ad space, billboard, city light, banner, or any other that you have. Then width and height. Longitude and latitude are needed for Google Maps, otherwise your ad spaces will not be seen on the map. The next field is price. You may want to put the price in your local currency. So, we've covered 10 required columns. You can also add others. For example, we assume that in our case, the field city would be relevant, as the ad agency operates around the whole in different locations. You can add as many additional fields as you need. So the only thing left to do is to organize your data in the same way, and we're ready to roll. Thank you for watching!